I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely lie. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed, sleeping in my bed, sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I wouldn't bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, and you belong with me. You're my sweetheart. Now I belong with you, and you belong with me. You're my sweetheart. I belong with you, and you belong with me. You're my sweetheart. For all the times that you feel so alone, and when you don't know where to turn or to go, you think you're too far gone, you made your last mistake. You think I'm lying, test me, kneel down and pray. 'Cause God's got a plan for you. Listen to the spirit, there's too many different voices. Block out all the noises. I'm singing that I know it's true. And if you think you're worthless, I just wanna help you know that you're still good, don't look back. And the Father loves you, and He loves everyone. And I'd invite you to pray through His Son. We get so caught up in our day, we forget to kneel and pray. Yes, I know that you are never on your own. If you could see the way He sees your soul, then maybe you could learn to love yourself. And if you start to hear the still small voice, then maybe you should go and trust yourself.
Headphones in my pocket, 2 words and you got me. 2 nights and you told me that once the time is counting down, it's impossible to stop it. 3 words that we need to save, 3 weeks till you move away. So go, go, your heart has to be followed. From 2 months ago, I'm clinging to old news, memories I'm scared to lose. Now I find reminders down the sofa and under the bed. 3 words could have made you stay, 3 words that I left too late. So go, go, your heart has to be followed. Whoa, 'cause we've all got a dream. Gotta be somebody. Your heart has to be followed, and cause we all got a dream. Gotta be somebody, be someone. Cause we all got a dream. Gotta be somebody and be someone. Cause we gotta be somebody and be someone. Cause we all got a dream. Gotta be somebody, be someone. So please, be somebody with me.